Hello students of Hyderabad, here is a golden opportunity for you.
Yes, ma'am, please explain about that golden opportunity.
Yes, students of Hyderabad who have just completed your 11th standard, we are providing a crash course for free both for EAP set and NEET.
Ma'am, please explain why the student has to take the crash course for NEET and MSET.
Yes, usually students who have completed 12th standard will be going for crash course for EAP set and NEET, but the advantage of you people if you are joining crash course after 11th standard in our institute is you will get a very nice exposure on all the 11th concepts will be revised and very nice exposure on the 12th concepts also, which adds on the basics for you so that you can it will be easy for you in your 12th class. It will be very much easy that you can complete the IPE syllabus very fast and you can prepare for your examination so easily in your 12th class.
Ma'am, please explain the duration of crash course.
Yes, the duration of crash course is 40 days, which commences from 24th March in our institute, and this is completely offline crash course which is for free for you people.
Yes, ma'am, please explain some advantages about our institute NEET World.
Yes, the advantages of the NEET World that you will get if you are joining crash course is the very first thing you will get cleared with all the concepts of 12th, and second thing is all the concepts of 11th will be revised properly. Third thing is 10 mock tests will be for free so that you can get good practice with the mock tests and you will also get the videos of those mock tests.
Ma'am, is it only offline or online mode?
It is completely offline mode only. Online mode is not provided for this course which we are dealing for 11th class completed students. So that offline course is because we can monitor you properly here in our branch.
Yes, okay ma'am. So I think every student is going to join our institute NEET World, right?
Yes, this is really a good opportunity for all the students who have completed 11th class beta. Make use of this opportunity and crack NEET and JEE mains examination, EAP set examination as well.